Hello, welcome everyone. I am Zamir Sheikh, Faculty of Chemistry from Sri Shivaji College of Arts, Commerce and Science Akola. Our college is reaccredited by NAC with A grade, CGP of 3.24, which awarded the CP status by and another lead college status by Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University. Today, so I will explain the series of what name reactions in which the first name reaction is an Baeyer vinegar oxidation. So you know that Baeyer vinegar oxidation is an organic transformation reaction in which oxidation is takes place. We will see one by one. So what are the important the reactions, okay, and what are the basic examples particularly for Baeyer vinegar oxidation. So first of all, you know that this is a Baeyer vinegar oxidation. Now it is also called as a Baeyer vinegar rearrangement reactions. So what is rearrangement now? A rearrangement is nothing but the migration of atom or a group from origin of from an one center to the another center within the same molecule, so along with its bond, okay. So such type of the reaction is called what the rearrangement reactions, okay. And this Baeyer vinegar oxidation is an example of what rearrangement reaction. Now the reaction scheme is here. So here the ketone is given, okay. This is R1 and R2 are the substituents which are the carbon substituents, and that will be in the presence of what peroxy acids. We have some different types of what acids are there, per acids, okay. They are oxidizing agents. These are the act as reagent, okay. And when it will be react with your ketone, so there is a formation of what ester. So the order is given here. So the more electron rich group migrate to the what oxygen. In this reaction, if you look this reaction very simply, so there is an insertion of oxygen takes place, okay. Now just recall that you first find the R1 and R2, which of that your R1 or R2 is in what electron rich. So at that side the oxygen will be inserted, and basically the order is given here. So based on that your order is given. Tertiary alkyl group is better migrating aptitude than what secondary, then aryl, then primary, and finally what the methyl group. So this is a simple type of oxidation reaction where the oxygen is inserted at the a more electron rich site of the carbonyl group. So this is another example is mentioned here, that this is Baeyer vinegar oxidation particularly for ketone as well as what aldehydes. If you take the ketone, so the resulting products are what ester, and if you take the aldehyde, so resulting products are what carboxylic acid. So what is the key step in that? So there is a CO bond is developed, and what CC bond is a break, okay. So this is the very simple terminology which is used in the what Baeyer vinegar oxidation. Now what is the principle of what Baeyer vinegar oxidation here? It is an example of told that it is an example of oxidation where the oxygen content is increased, and this reaction is used in synthesis particularly for the conversion of ketone to ester, okay, with the help of what the peroxy acids. So example is what metachloroperbenzoic acid, okay. You know that per acids are what a oxidizing agent which are useful particularly for what the release of oxygen. So they are act as what oxidizing agents, okay. They are electron deficient and oxygen donor. So after releasing the oxygen, so the metachloroperbenzoic acid will be converted to what metachlorobenzoic acid. So the second point of this reaction is that so the reaction of a ketone with the acid results in the what tetrahedral intermediate, and that intermediate with an alkyl migration followed to release what the carboxylic acid, okay. So after releasing that oxygen from your reagent, from that is MCPPA to that your carbonyl compound, so that will be converted toward the acid, okay. This is the key step in this reaction. And the last step is what last most important point is that the more electron rich substituent, that is R, migrate toward the oxygen, okay. And in this is a concerted mechanism, is a bond breaking as well as making with, which takes place in the same step, and that will be allow for what the accurate prediction of what the stereochemistry of the product, okay. So the next point is what the mechanism of this reaction. So in this example we are seeing that, so we take the what the acetophenone and in reacts with what the paracids. You know that the oxygen lone pair from hydroxy group of the reagent will be react with the carbonyl carbon. You know that carbonyl carbons are what electrophilic in nature. Formation of what intermediate tetrahedral intermediate. Finally there is a migration is takes place now. So second step is proton transfer. First step is 1,2 addition, second step is proton transfer, and in the equilibrium particularly where the proton will be abstracted as well, then again it will be takes from the base, and the last step is what the 1,2 shift now. So here the OH lone pair will be shift together, and finally there is a rearrangement is takes place. Okay, so the step 4 is what the formation of carboxylate ion, and finally it will abstract the proton, so you get the product. So here, so there is a two products are obtained now. Your one is a target molecule which is called the ester, and the second one the carboxylic acid, okay, which is coming from what your reagent. So in this mechanism particularly, you know that which are the bonds are developed now. So here OC bonds, OH, CO pi bond, CO sigma bond, and OH. So these are the 5 bonds are developed, while which are the bond broken now. CO pi bond is broken, OH is broken, CC is broken, OO is broken, and OH is broken. Okay, so this is the some key step to remember this reactions now, reaction mechanism. Another way to explain the mechanism here particularly, so we have the same mechanism. So you know that this is another mechanism. We can explain this reactions in second way. We have the pair of electron from what ketone or oxygen molecule which abstract the proton, and finally it will be deficient, and then negative charge will be attacked on that, and finally you get the intermediate, and then rearrangement is takes place. So many steps are occurred, and finally you leads toward the ester plus acid. So this is the reference particularly for this reactions where I picked this mechanism. Another way, so very simplified way particularly here. So after that, how, okay, so the third step is migration, and finally which leads toward this product now. Okay, very simple mechanism is given now. These are some examples I listed here. So first example is what ketone which reacts with MCPB, that will converts to what ester. We have second example is the acetophenone is given, reacts with the MCPB, that give the product is the phenyl acetate, and finally the cyclohexanone will be converted toward the lactone. Okay, this one. So here are some another example that indicate the what stereochemistry of this reaction. So more bulkier, more electron rich group, at that side the oxygen will be inserted. Okay, this is all about what the Baeyer-Villiger reaction, which is one of the renowned and valuable reactions in this organic synthesis, that will convert the ketone into what the ester. Okay, thank you for watching this lecture. If you satisfied with the content which I mentioned in this slides, okay, or in this session, so please like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.